Chennai 365, an effort by SKS in association with social, sports and cultural bodies to do good to a vibrant Chennai.
I now request Dr. Balaguru Swami to come to the dais and occupy his chair.
Get out of the AC car, the whole thing becomes foggy.
I also request Dr. Krishnaraj Vanavaraya to come to the dais and occupy his chair. I also request Mr. Saravanan, M. Saravanan, to come to the dais and occupy his chair. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the stage is set to start the function. As you know, Indian tradition is to start any auspicious occasion like this with invocation. And let's start this function with an invocation by Kalai Mamani Sangeeta Saraswati Srimati Sudha Raghunathan, who will sing the Tamil Thai Varth.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமெது தெக்க சிறு தெக்கணமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திரும்பியாது செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, this function is for the presentation of this unique Visvesvaraya Industrial Award 1999-2000 in recognition of the outstanding contribution made by Sri Krishna Sweets in the food processing industry. It's very heartening to note the response to the invitation has been overwhelming. We now start this evening function with a welcome address by Mr. Harish L. Mehta. Mr. Harish L. Mehta is a young dynamic chairman of AIMO, besides being a successful entrepreneur. He is involved in educational pursuits and is responsible for arranging quite a number of important events for AIMO. Mr. Harish Mehta.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of All India Manufacturers Organization, I have the great pleasure in welcoming our Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, Sri AVM Saronan, Sri Balaguru Swami, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Vanavarayar, Vice Chairman of Indian Cotton Mills Federation, Mr. Vishwanathan, Mr. Abhay Kumar, Ramakrishnan, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and a special mention of welcome to our awardees, Mr. Murli and Mr. Krishnan. I have great pleasure in welcoming one and all of you for this award function for the year 2000, and it is heartening to note that in this particular year we have selected the food processing industry as the awardee and unique in our selection of the awards. When the entire nation is facing serious problems and the war clouds are hovering the frontier of our nation and creating communal disturbances and war psychosis, we could understand the problem of government, especially like Your Excellency. We are happy to welcome you, sir. Thanks for having spared your valuable time and grace the function. All India Manufacturers Organization is a different type of industrial association in must as an amalgam of small, medium and large industries. We have always been a positive looking association concentrating on developing activities. We are very keen that atmosphere where people connected with industries are given the due regard and respect by the government. In some of the cases, the industry gets a feeling that the intentions and acts are suspected by the government. We earnestly request His Excellency the Governor, who himself has been the president of number of industrial associations and that too of the management in kind, to appreciate that we in industry as a major stakeholders in the growth of the nation will never resort to anything that is likely to be detrimental to the nation's prosperity. Please have faith in us and treat us with the dignity we deserve. Government of Tamil Nadu, having come out with very bold initiatives on all fronts to accelerate the industrial development, particular mention should be made of the initiative to reduce tariff levels by reducing the cross subsidy of the power tariff by metering of all the agricultural connections. This will go a long way in helping the government to reduce arguably the high level of industrial tariff as obtaining today. We do hope, with the enormous industrial experience you have as director of various boards in your previous avatar, we sincerely request you to translate these experiences positively for the upliftment of our beloved state of Tamil Nadu, especially in aiding its industrial growth. I take this opportunity also welcoming all the dignitaries present here, especially the press and the media for the presence here. I also welcome my colleagues in All India Manufacturers Organization and all the industrial guests, illustrious guests for having come and attended this function. Once again, a hearty welcome to all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have Mr. Mukundan, a past chairman of AIMO.
Good evening to all of you. It's His Excellency the Governor of Tamil Nadu. Ladies and gentlemen, let me at the outset join my young and energetic chairman in welcoming all of you. As he told, All India Manufacturer Organization is a different organization. Not only because it has small and medium and large industries in their membership fold, but because of the type of activities it does. All India Manufacturers Organization, almost a decade back, started a trust, the name of All India Manufacturers Industrial and Research Trust. This is the service arm of AIMO. We have been doing number of useful work to the community. In fact, as early as 1960s, AIMO were the people who initiated the international exhibition. The monumental Anna Tower is a part of creation of our work. This was originally known as Vishwesvaraya Tower. Subsequently, in 80s, we were conducting the famous Ideal Home exhibition. At least the senior citizens of Chennai will certainly know. Come December, everybody used to talk about Ideal Home exhibition. We are not exhibition organizers. We started this as a marketing support to manufacturers. We wanted to bring the manufacturers and consumers to a common forum so that the manufacturers get to know the actual requirement of the customer. This Ideal Home was so famous for nearly 15 to 20 years. We were having continuously good reception. Afterwards, number of organizations started doing this. We thought we should stop with that and leave it to other people. But any good work requires some sort of praise. So the praise came in the form of imitation from other districts, particularly in Madurai. Ideal Home exhibition is a talk of the town. During the Chitrai Mela, they conduct this exhibition in a very big way. Similarly, in other districts like Erode and Salem, Ideal Home exhibition is a sort of an annual feature. And again, we were the first people to recognize the good work done by Industrial House and started instituting this famous Vishwesvaraya Industrial Award. You see the galaxy of people who have been awarded from 84, 85. I'm very happy that Krishna Sweets is joining this particular illustrious list. Krishna Sweets has its headquarters in district of Coimbatore. So they are fairly exposed to the problems of rural innovators. I wish with all their philanthropic gesture, they come out with some sort of help to AMO in organizing a very meaningful incubation financing for the less fortunate brethren in our rural areas. May I now take leave of you. Before I leave, I must share a very, very important thing. I was told Sir M. Vishwesvaraya himself started a hotel in Bangalore. It is but fair that representative of food processing industry is honored today. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now request Mr. R. Viswanathan, Zonal Vice President of AIMO.
Excellency, Sri P.S. Ram Mohan Rao, Governor of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Balaguru Swami, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Dr. B.K. Krishnaraj, Vanavaraya, Vice Chairman, Indian Cotton Mills Federation, Mr. Saravanan of AMM Productions, Mr. Krishnan of Krishna Sweets, distinguished guests, invitees, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure and duty to announce officially the name of the awardee for the Vishwesvaraya Industrial Award for the year 1999-2000, as finally decided by the award committee entrusted with the task of nominating the awardee. As explained by my previous speakers, All India Manufacturers Organization itself was founded in the year 1941 by the renowned engineer, statesman, Mokshaguндam Vishwesvaraya. AIMO is a national body and recognized in all apex committees. From the year 1984, AIMO decided to give this Vishwesvaraya Industrial Award, and on your left you will see the prestigious companies which have so far received this award. For the year in question, the committee consists of late V.K. Padmanabhan, ex-chairman of Madras Stock Exchange, who is no more with us and whose absence all of us feel very much. Pradeep Elango Bhaskaran, and myself as Zonal Vice President of AIMO. The award committee had before themselves certain criteria based on which this award was finally decided. The criteria were financial performance, productivity, export, expansion and diversification, contribution to society and environment, research and development, quality, and others. After deliberations, the award committee unanimously decided that this year the award should go to Sri Krishna Sweets, who have shown a remarkable and tremendous growth not only in their business popularity but also for their social commitments and awareness. On behalf of AIMO and all of you present here, I congratulate Sri Krishna Sweets on their recognition. Thank you very much.
Dr. Bala Guruswamy, who is here with us, delivers the keynote address. Dr. Bala Guruswamy.
His Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, distinguished guests on the dais, distinguished guests in the audience, industrialists, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, I consider it a great privilege to stand before you for a couple of reasons. The Visvesvaraya Industrial Award is well known to all of us, not only in Tamil Nadu but throughout the country. I agreed to be here today for two reasons. One is I myself once received a Visvesvaraya Award for a distinguished engineer, fellow engineer in 1996 at Coimbatore. And secondly, I am one of those who enjoyed Sri Krishna Sweets for a decade, continuously at Coimbatore. And now I moved to Bangalore. Suddenly they also opened branches in Bangalore. Now I understand I have come to Madras and they have a number of places in Madras. So either I chase them or they chase me, but we don't leave each other. And I am really proud to say that they are one of the excellent food manufacturing industries in the country. In fact, we never recognized food processing as an industry at all. Nobody knew that it is an industry, and nobody knew a person making sweets will receive one day Bharat Ratna Sir Visvesvaraya Award. And I am really thrilled and really honored to be here to felicitate them. And I belong to Coimbatore, and they have established their series of sweets. Every street if you go to Coimbatore, you can Sri Krishna. And they are one of the most customer relationship oriented people. In fact, every year I see an advertisement, if you buy 1 kilo of sweet, half a kilo of mixer is free. That is a great entrepreneurial skill to keep customer loyalty with them. And they deserve this award richly. And I have no doubt this will be an example for all other industries, not only food processing, but all other small industries where they feel they are not part of the mainstream industries. And one day they will get recognition of this kind. So the Michael Porter says there are 5 forces for, most of you are aware of that Michael Porter model of competitive strategies. There are 5 forces which industry should be watching. One of them is supplier power. Second is buyer power. Third factor which Michael Porter says is threat of substitute. The fourth factor is threat of the new entrants. Fifth one he says is rivalry among the existing industries. IT as a tool we have to certainly exploit to overcome all the 5 forces which Michael Porter has advocated. If we do it, I think we will be able to succeed partly, if not completely, in all our business, whatever we do. So with these few words, I take this opportunity to thank AIMO for giving me this opportunity. I would like to congratulate Sri Krishna Sweets again for getting this award, which will give them maybe to open more more shops in other places, but also improve the quality, if at all there is a scope for improvement. And diversify the products, maybe in terms of size, in terms of color, it may have something, you can diversify it, so that you will retain your customers and continuously. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Dr. Krishnaraj Vanavaraya.
His Excellency, dignitaries on and off the dais, and friends. Many of you might wonder why year after year the maximum number of Nobel Awards go only to the United States. Does it mean that great thinkers and performers only originate from the United States? That's not the reason. The reason being that America has a culture to recognize people in time and encourage them to perform better and aspire for greater things in life. But in our country, in India, we are a bit too slow in recognizing people. Even worse when it comes to recognizing entrepreneurs and deserving industrialists. It was only recently the first time the Bharat Ratna was conferred on J.R.D. Tata. That was the only occasion in the last 55 years when an industrialist was recognized. The manufacturers in general are discounted in this country and looked upon with some amount of suspicion and contempt. Thanks to the All India Manufacturers Organization, that rule is now deviated, and year after year, you have been recognizing most deserving industrialists with this most prestigious award. And in that line, as a Coimbaturian, I feel greatly privileged that somebody who is known to me are being recognized today. This year, in its wisdom, the All India Manufacturers Association has selected a food processing industry to receive this award, and I can tell you in all certainty and sincerity that they richly deserve this recognition. All India Manufacturing Association was started in the year 1941, and the Krishna Sweets was founded in the year 1948. So both are more than 50 years old. So it's time they understood each other and tried to complement each other and supplement even their efforts. The founder of this institution, the late Sri Mahadeva Iyer, is known to me, closely known to me. His was a life full of struggle, I can tell you. He started from nothing and achieved to the top. But I have 7 minutes here to tell you something about that 70 years of struggle. It's not at all fair, but we have to stick to the protocol. Some can only dream, but they cannot make the dreams a reality. But in the case of the late Sri Mahadeva Iyer, he not only dreamt, but he made his dream a reality in his own lifetime. Mahadeva Iyer never went to any business school. Never did he went out of the country to acquire any knowledge. But he signed a memorandum of understanding, not with any university, much less the Anna University, or with any multinational company. So he signed a memorandum of understanding with Sri Guruvayurappan. And the terms of the memorandum of understanding was never to compromise on quality, 1. 2, always to maintain consistency. 3, to have consumer satisfaction as his ultimate goal. And always continue to improve and expand his business. And last but not the least, to have a strong sense of social orientation. This was the memorandum of understanding he signed with Sri Guruvayurappan, and till date that family stands committed to that memorandum of understanding, I can tell you. By doing so, they have fully satisfied the guidelines set by the All India Manufacturers Association, and I'm sure AIMO need not go around defending this award, but you can say with pride that you have chosen the most deserving industrial house of India. Sri Mahadeva Iyer was a natural leader. I had known him. He was a legend in his own lifetime. For him, work was worship, and for him, his business was his entire world, and he knew nothing beyond that. Friends, we are living today in the market economy days, where we say fittest alone survives, the law of the jungle. Sorry to say this. But there is no question of social concern or orientation today for any business house. It's enough they survive. That is the end all of a business venture today. But the All India Manufacturers Association theme says prosperity through industry. So the industry has to look beyond its own prosperity and try to bring prosperity to the society as a whole. Here I am reminded of what Mahatma Gandhi said. Fittest alone survives is the new motto, new theme of economics. But for Mahatma Gandhi, make everyone fit to survive was the theme of Mahatma Gandhi. And that precisely is what Krishna Sweets is all about. They are known for their family values. I know the family very well. They are the most integrated family you can come across, no matter how much they have grown or diversified. Beyond that, they are known for their business ethics. Never they have compromised on ethics, no matter what be the advantage they may get out of it. The great Kirloskar once said, "My dream is not to become an industrialist, but to industrialize India." That was the dream of the great Kirloskar. That is precisely what Krishna Sweets have perfected themselves. They not only know how to make money, they also know how to share it with the society. That is the strength of Krishna Sweets. I have no time to list out all the service projects they have been supporting, but just to mention a few. They have been helping the poor students of Coimbatore by awarding them scholarship. They also organize human resource development camps for the self-development and leadership development of the youth. They are known for propagating the ancient wisdom of India, and they are known for supporting the cause of art, literature, music, and religion. And more than all that, I wish to mention one thing to you, a recent project of the Krishna Sweets, Desathin Kural, the voice of India. The great men who guided the destiny of India, their voices we have no occasion to listen anymore. The voices of Mahatma Gandhi, the voices of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the voice of Dr. Radhakrishnan or Rajaji, the voice of Rabindranath Tagore, Laja Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. We can't listen to them anymore. But these two brothers have brought it out through the All India Radio on every Sunday at 8:30. They could not have thought of a better project than that, than to kindle a patriotic fervor in this nation, which is something we need badly today. Swami Ranganathananda of the Ramakrishna Mission once said, "It is extremely difficult to make money. It is even more difficult to part with it for a good cause." But Krishna Sweets have made both easy. It is easy for them to make money, and it is easier for them to give it away for a good cause. What started in a small way in Coimbatore is now known all over India. Whomsoever come to Coimbatore, when they leave, all they want to take back with them is a package of their sweets. That is the impact Krishna Sweets has made among its consumers. I join all of you in offering my felicitations, and before I close, I only want to say one thing. They may be getting any number of awards in future. They are sure to get. With all your good wishes, they are bound to get. But nothing will equal this award for the simple reason it is named after somebody who will be an inspiration for India for all time to come. The great Visvesvaraya was a great visionary, a nation builder, a karma yogi, and an inspiration to India for all times to come. Now let me close with just two sentences of the great illustrious Sri Visvesvaraya. I quote, "Remember, your work may be only to sweep a railway crossing, but it's your duty to keep it so clean that no other crossing in the world is as clean as yours." These are the immortal words of the great Sri Visvesvaraya, the Bharat Ratna. And my friend Krishnan and Murli, you're otherwise also as self-inspired brothers, but now you have something more to inspire you, the name of the great Visvesvaraya. You could not have thought of a better award than that, and that too to receive from the hands of His Excellency. I join all of you in offering you too and your families all the best in future, and with the same Guruvayurappan and with the same blessings of Mahadeva Iyer, you may rise to great heights and do us all proud. Thank you.
I now request Kalaimamani, Mr. Saravanan of AVM Productions and AVM Studios.
மேதகு ஆளுநர் அவர்களே, என் இனிய நண்பர் டாக்டர் வானவராயர் அவர்களே, மற்றும் இந்த அருமையான அமைப்பை விஸ்வேஸ்வரய்யாவின் பெயரால் பரிசுகள் வந்திருக்கும் இந்த அமைப்பின் அங்கத்தினர்களே, இன்று இந்த பரிசை பெற வந்திருக்கும் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணா அவர்களே, முரளி அவர்களே மற்றும் அவர் குடும்பத்தினர்களே, சகோதரர்களே, சகோதரிகளே, பத்திரிகை நண்பர்களே, தொலைக்காட்சி நண்பர்களே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் முதற்கான என் வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட்டான ஒரு விஷயம் டாக்டர் வானவராயர் பேசுனதுக்கு அப்புறம் பேசுகிறது. ஏன்னா அவர் முழுசாக அந்த ஃபேமிலியும் அறிஞ்சவர், அவருடைய செயல்பாடையும் அறிந்தவர், அவர் நிறையா படித்தவர், நல்ல பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக பேசிட்டார். அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் பேசுகிறதுக்கு ஏதாவது இருக்கான்னு எனக்கே தெரியலை. இருந்தாலும் பாராட்டுற என்னுடைய நண்பர்களை பாராட்டுவதில் நான் மிக மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். இப்போ விஞ்ஞானம் ரொம்ப வளர்ந்துருக்கு, இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ரொம்ப வளர்ந்துருக்கு, கம்ப்யூட்டர், சின்ன குழந்தை கூட அந்த காலத்தில் மெக்கானோவில் விளையாண்டுட்டு இருந்த குழந்தைகள்லாம் கூட இன்றைக்கி கம்ப்யூட்டரில் விளையாண்டுருக்கு, அறிவு வளர்ச்சி அதிகமாக இருக்குது. இப்படி வளர்ந்துக்கிட்டே எல்லாம் போகும்போது ஒன்று மாத்திரம் குறைஞ்சிக்கிட்டு வருது. அதுதான் மனித நேயம், மனுஷத்தன்மை, அது குறைஞ்சிக்கிட்டு வருது. இதற்கு ஒரு சின்ன நிகழ்ச்சி ஒன்று சொல்ல பிரியப்படுறேன். இதே தெருவில் டாக்டர் எட்வர்ட் எல்லிஸ் ரோட்டில் டாக்டர் ராதாகிருஷ்ணனுடைய வீட்டுக்கு அருகாமையில் ஒரு பள்ளிக்கூடம் இருக்குது, சில்ட்ரன் கார்டன் ஸ்கூல்னு. 60 வருஷத்துக்கு மேலே நடந்துருக்கு. அந்த பள்ளிக்கூடத்தில் நானும் படிச்சிருக்கேன். அந்த பள்ளிக்கூடத்தில் குழந்தைகளை ரோடை கிராஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக அவங்க ஒரு ஆளுக்கு சம்பளம் கொடுத்து ரோட்டில் நிறுத்துகிறாங்க. கார்களை நிறுத்தி அந்த குழந்தைகளை குறுக்க அனுப்புகிறாங்க. அப்படி அனுப்பும்போது நான் என்னுடைய பேரனை பள்ளிக்கூடத்துக்கு நான் தான் கூட்டிகிட்டு போவேன். காத்தால இறக்கி விட்டு திரும்பி வரும்போது அந்த இடத்துக்கு வரும்போது காரை நிறுத்துவேன். அப்போ சில சமயங்களில் சில பேர் காரில் குறுக்க பூந்து நின்றுட்டு இருக்க காரை அப்போ தான் கெட்டிக்காரத்தனமாக ஓவர்டேக் பண்ணுறதாக ஸ்கூல் ஜோனுன்றதையும் மறந்துட்டு பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்படி ஒரு நாள் வந்துகிட்டு இருக்கும்போது ஒரு மோட்டர் பைக் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஒரு குழந்தை நேரம் எஸ்கேப் ஆச்சு. அந்த மோட்டர் பைக் போயிடுச்சு. என்னால் அது ஆத்திரம் தாங்க முடியல. இந்த சாதாரண நம்ம படங்களில் சேஸ் பண்ணுவாங்கள்ல, அது மாதிரி அந்த மோட்டர் பைக்கை நான் சேஸ் பண்ணேன். போயேன்னா நான் ஹார்ன் அடிக்கிறேன், அவன் இன்னும் வேகமாக போகிறான். அப்புறம் கடைசியில் இந்த போலீஸ் எல்லாம் குறுக்க கொண்டு போய் நிறுத்துகிற மாதிரி நான் காரை கொண்டு போய் நிறுத்தினேன். அது ரியல் இன்சிடென்ட். இந்த அளவுக்கு மனித நேயம் குறைந்து கொண்டே வருகிறது. நல்ல மனுஷங்களை பார்க்குறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது. ஒரு நல்ல மனுஷனை பார்த்தா கூட அந்த மனுஷனுடைய இன்னொரு பக்கம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு தெரியறதில்ல. அப்படி இருக்கிற இந்த சூழ்நிலையில் ஒரு அருமையான சகோதரர்கள் கிருஷ்ணா, முரளி. அவங்க மட்டும் இல்லை, அந்த என்டையர் ஃபேமிலி, அவருடைய கிருஷ்ணா அவருடைய மனைவி உஷாவோ அல்லது அவருடைய முரளியினுடைய மனைவி கலாவோ, அவருடைய குழந்தைகளோ, அவருடைய சகோதரிகள், 2 சகோதரிகள், அவருடைய மைத்துனர்கள், எல்லாமே ஒரு குடும்பத்தில் இவ்வளவு நல்லவங்களை பார்க்கறதுன்றது இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப ரேர். அதுக்காக அந்த குடும்பத்தையே பாராட்டணும். மகாதேவியருடைய ஒரு குடுப்பினை, அந்த அருமையான குடும்பம், அந்த தாயார், அந்த சகோதரர்கள் எல்லாருமே ஒரு எல்லா குட்னஸும் சேர்ந்த ஒரு குடும்பம். அவங்க குடும்பம் நல்ல குடும்பம். அவங்க பண்ற வியாபாரத்திலேயே நேர்மை. அவங்க அந்த கடமை, கண்ணியம் அப்படிலாம் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அது எல்லாமே அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கு. அவங்ககிட்ட இல்லாத எதுவுமே கிடையாது. ஒரு நேர்மையான வியாபாரிக. அது மட்டும் இல்லை, அவங்க தான தர்மங்கள், அவங்களுடைய செயல்பாடுகள், அவர் வானவராயர் அவர்கள் கூறியது போல், அவங்க எந்த ஒரு நல்ல காரியம், ஒரு இது ரிலிஜியஸ் இதாக அந்த பாடசாலையை அதுக்கு உதவி செய்கிறாங்க. அதே போல் நாட்டியம், நடனம், நாடகம், எங்கள் சினிமாவுக்கு பண்ணுறதில்ல, மன்னிச்சுக்கோங்க, மற்ற எல்லாத்துக்கும் கலை உலகத்தில் சம்மந்தப்பட்ட அனைத்து துறைகளுக்கும் அவங்க உதவி செய்கிறாங்க. படிப்புக்கு உதவி செய்கிறாங்க. இப்படி ரொம்ப நல்ல காரியங்கள் செய்யக்கூடிய ஒரு அருமையான குடும்பம். நேர்மையான முறையில் வியாபாரத்தை பண்ணுறாங்க. கொஞ்சம் கூட குவாலிட்டியில் காம்ப்ரமைஸே பண்ணுறதில்ல. அந்த குவாலிட்டி சரியில்லையா அதை தூக்கி போடுற தயாராக இருக்காங்க. அவங்க யாருக்கும் கொடுக்கறது கூட, தான தர்மத்துக்கு கூட கொடுக்கறதில்ல, அந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் கம்மியாக இருக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு. அந்த காத்தால் அடுப்பை பற்ற வைக்க போகும்போது அவர் மகாதேவியர் சொன்னது போல் அவங்க பூஜை பண்ணி அதில் நம்பிக்கையோடு அந்த செயல்பாடை செய்கிறாங்க. ஒரு நாள் கூட அடுப்பை பற்ற வைக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவங்க பூஜை பண்ணாமல் பண்ணுறதில்ல. அதில் அவங்க நம்புகிறாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு அந்த கடவுள் அவங்களுக்கு உதவியாக இருக்குது. அவங்களுடைய வளர்ச்சி ஒரு உண்மையாகவே சந்தோஷப்படக்கூடிய ஒரு வளர்ச்சி. இந்த சகோதரர்களும் அந்த குடும்பமும் அந்த வியாபாரம் மேலும் மேலும் வளர்ந்து இந்த அவார்டுக்கு அவர்கள் 100% தகுதியானவர்கள். அவர்களுக்கு இந்த மேனுஃபேக்சரர்ஸ் அசோசியேஷன் கொடுத்ததில் ரொம்ப எனக்கு சந்தோஷம். இந்த அசோசியேஷனும் என்னுடைய நன்றி கூறி, இந்த நேரத்தில் என்னையும் பேச சொன்னதற்காக என்னுடைய நன்றி கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Now the presentation of citation, Visvesvaraya Industrial Award 1999-2000 by Mr. S.A. Abhay Kumar, Joint Managing Director, Shazen Chemicals and Drugs Private Limited.
His Excellency, Governor of Tamil Nadu, other dignitaries on the dais, dear ladies and gentlemen. As an earlier recipient of this prestigious award, I have great pleasure and honor in reading this citation which is being given today. This citation is presented this 5th day of June 2002 as Visvesvaraya Industrial Award to Sri Krishna Sweets. The Industrial Research and Development Trust of All India Manufacturers Organization, Tamil Nadu State Board, has pleasure in recognizing Sri Krishna Sweets as worthy of the Visvesvaraya Industrial Award for their success in promoting a food processing establishment, elevating it from the confines of a domestic home-based activity to the status of an organized manufacturing unit, providing substantial employment opportunities. Significantly, this success has been maintained in a competitive milieu and against a growing trend towards specific continental cuisines. Established on a modest scale in the year 1948 in Coimbatore, entrepreneurship of late Sri N.K. Mahadeva Iyer, blended with an innate faith in himself, worked with the spirit of a visionary. The founder introduced a well-knit total quality management, TQM, in all the preparations long before modern management recognized the importance of this technique. He took the initiative to set up a laboratory for quality and engage the services of experts in food technology, all part of an R&D effort. Sri M. Krishnan, the elder son, plans meticulously and keeps expanding this growing sunrise industry in width and depth with utmost care, with a rare blend of vision, enterprise, and focus. Sri M. Murli, the younger son, follows religiously the principles laid down by his legendary father, and his business serve elder brother and fine-tunes the strategies depending upon the changing consumer perceptions. The most important feature of SKS is the uniqueness with which the age-old traditional Mysore Pak was presented to the discerning consumers into an outstanding blend and brand, Mysore Pa, that has taken the consumers by storm nationwide. The introduction of Mysore Pa, the SKS brand of Mysore Pak, a culinary marvel rolled out after years of research, is a singular, monumental contribution to the food processing industry and a particular delicious taste altogether to the discerning consumers. Bite a bit of Mysore Pa, enjoy it melting in the mouth with sweet memories. No wonder many try to follow subsequently, leaving the pioneering status to SKS. In the preparation and serving of ready-to-consumer food, all those involved, managerial and other employees, have cultivated a tradition of work as an act of worship. This philosophy has been wholly responsible for continued consumer satisfaction. In this effort, Sri Krishna Sweets have the commitment of a team of trained, dedicated, and contented personnel. Late Sri Mahadeva Iyer had been a recipient of a number of awards for his passion for quality, reliability, and his contribution to the food processing industry. The outstanding feature of the founders' philosophy is the recognition of the need to share their fortunes with the less fortunate fortunate section of the society. Philanthropy has been an article of faith with the management. Although the firm has 25 branches spread over Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, the management exercises caution in business promotion in order to ensure that no compromise is made on quality and reliability. Sir M. Vishweshwaraya set highest standards for industrial growth and business ethics. Sri Krishna Sweets has been appropriately adjudged a leader in the industry and has earned goodwill, which the trust appreciates. The chairman and members of the management committee of AIMO, TNSB, IR&D Trust, therefore, after all conceivable considerations, are delighted to declare Sri Krishna Sweets as a well-deserving recipient of Vishweshwaraya Industrial Award for 1999-2000 and wish them well. Kudos to you, Sri Krishna Sweets. Sri Harish L. Mehta, Chairman, AIMO TNSB. Thank you.
Harish Mehta will now hand over the citation through the Governor to Mr. M. Krishnan and Mr. M. Murali. I now invite Mr. Krishnan and Mr. Murali, the two sons of late illustrious Sri Mahadevaya, the two gems, and are like Rama and Lakshmana in Srimad Ramayana. As the citation described Mysore Pa, bite a bit of Mysore Pa, enjoy it melting in the mouth. There it is, Sri Krishna Sweets with their Vishweshwaraya Industrial Award, 1999-2000. I now request His Excellency, Governor of Tamil Nadu, Ram Mohan Rao, to hand over the award to Mr. Krishnan and Mr. Murali of Sri Krishna Sweets. Congratulations, Mr. Krishnan and Mr. Murali. Please give a big hand to Mr. Krishnan and Mr. Murali. They richly deserve it. I now have pleasure in inviting Mr. Krishnan to say a few words.
மேதகு தமிழக ஆளுநர் திரு ராம் மோகன் ராவ் அவர்களே, தலைமையேற்றிருக்கும் திரு ஹரிஷ் மேத்தா அவர்களே, வணக்கத்துக்குரிய டாக்டர் பாலகுருசாமி அவர்களே, மரியாதைக்குரிய எங்கள் வழிகாட்டி திரு வானவராயர் அவர்களே, உடன்பிறவா சகோதரர் திரு எம் சரவணன் அவர்களே, வருகை தந்து நெஞ்சார வாழ்த்தி கொண்டிருக்கும் பெருமக்களே, பத்திரிகை உலக நண்பர்களே, பல்வேறு தொலைக்காட்சி நிலையங்களில் இருந்து வருகை தந்திருக்கும் அன்பர்களே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது பணிவார்ந்த மாலை வணக்கங்கள். இந்த நாள் எங்களுக்கு ஓர் இனிய நாள். பாராட்டும் விருதும் மகிழ்ச்சியையும் நெகிழ்ச்சியையும் தருகிறது. யாருக்கு நன்றி சொல்வது என்று தெரியாமல் மனது திணறுகிறது. எந்தையே ஈசா, என் உடல் இடம் கொண்டாய், யான் இதற்கு இல்லேன் ஒரு கைமாறே என்கிறார் மாணிக்க வாசகரர். நானும் என்னை தேர்வு செய்த தங்கள் முன்பாக கைமாறு ஏதும் இல்லாமல் நிற்கின்றேன். விஸ்வேஸ்வரையா தொழில் விருது என்ற மிகப்பெரிய விருதினை வழங்கி உணவுத் தொழிலை கௌரவித்த AIMO அமைப்புக்கு முதலில் என் சார்பிலும் என் குடும்பத்தின் சார்பிலும் எங்களுடன் இணைந்து இயங்கும் தொழிலாளர்கள் சார்பிலும் சக ஓட்டல் உரிமையாளர்கள் சார்பிலும் என் மனமார்ந்த நன்றியை முதற்கண் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். பாரத ரத்னா சர் விஸ்வேஸ்வரையா அவர்களை பற்றிய ஒரு குறிப்பில் அவரது சாதனைகளில் ஒன்றாக பெங்களூரில் மாடர்ன் ஹிந்து ஹோட்டல் என்ற உணவு நிறுவனத்தை உருவாக்கியதாக குறிப்பிடப்பட்டுள்ளது. இந்த குறிப்பே எங்களுக்கு இந்த விருதை ஏற்கும் தைரியத்தையும் தகுதியையும் அளிக்கிறது. அவரது ஆன்மாவின் ஆசியாக இந்த விருது எதிரொலிக்கிறது என்று கருதுகிறோம். வீடுதோறும் கலையின் விளக்கம் என்று மகாகவி பாரதியார் சொன்னது சமையல் கலைக்குத்தான் சரியாக இருக்கும். அரண்மனை என்றாலும் குடிசை என்றாலும் சமையல் அறையும் அடுப்பும் இல்லாவிட்டால் அது வீடாகுமா? அன்னை முதல் அகிலம் முழுவதற்கும் உணவளிக்கும் அன்னபூரணி வரை இச்சமையல் கலைக்காக யாருக்கு நாம் நன்றி சொல்வோம்? நலனும் பீமனும் இவர்களில் கரைந்து போகிற பொழுது நாம் எம்மாத்திரம். சமையல் கலை ஒரு கடல். அதில் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணா ஸ்வீட்ஸின் முகமாகவும் முகவரியாகவும் இருக்கும் மைசூர்பா ஒரு துளி. கடலின் சார்பில் ஒரு துளி இங்கே இந்த பெருமையை பணிவோடு ஏற்கிறது. நித்தம் நித்தம் புத்தம் புதிய உணவு ரகங்கள் உலகின் பல பகுதிகளில் இருந்து அறிமுகமாகி வந்தாலும் கூட பாரம்பரிய உணவின் பெருமை என்றும் நிலைபெறும் என்று இவ்விருது நிலைநிறுத்துகிறது. எங்கள் நிறுவனத்தின் எல்லா பெருமைகளும் எங்கள் தந்தையவே சாரும். அவர்கள் காட்டிய வழியில் நாங்கள் தொடர்ந்து செல்கிறோம். அவர் சொல்லியபடி 0% டிஃபெக்ட் என்பதையே குறிக்கோளாக கொண்டுள்ளோம். எங்கள் தொழிலில் 100% பர்ஃபெக்ஷன் என்பது நிர்ணயிக்க முடியாத ஒன்று. உணவு தொழிலில் பர்ஃபெக்ஷன் என்பது சுவையை அடிப்படையாக கொண்டது. சுவை என்பது கடவுளின் கருணை. இம்மண்ணின் பாரம்பரிய உணவுகள் பல பல. உணவு விருந்தாகவும் மருந்தாகவும் இருந்தது இந்த மண்ணில்தான். காணாமல் போன பல பாரம்பரிய உணவுகளை மீண்டும் கொண்டு வரும் முயற்சிகளுக்கு இந்த விருது எங்களுக்கு தூண்டுகோலாகவும் உறுதுணையாகவும் அமையும் என்று நம்புகிறோம். அன்பர்களே, சமையல் கலை தோன்றிய காலத்தில் இருந்து இன்று வரை இந்த கலையை போற்றி காப்பாற்றி வருகின்ற நமது தாய்மார்கள், சமையல் கலைஞர்கள், கல்லூரி மாணவ மணிகள் இவர்களின் கோடிக்கணக்கான கரங்களின் சார்பாக எனது இரு சிறு கரங்களில் வணக்கத்துடன் இந்த விருதினை ஏந்தி அதனை நம்மை காத்து கொண்டிருக்கும் குருவாயூரப்பன் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணன் அருள் சந்நிதியில் சமர்ப்பிக்கிறேன். சர்வம் கிருஷ்ணார்ப்பணம். கிருஷ்ண கிருஷ்ண கிருஷ்ணா. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Ladies and gentlemen, that such a distinguished personality like His Excellency Sri Ram Mohan Rao hands over the Visvesvaraya Industrial Award to Sri Krishna Sweets. I now request His Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, to give his chief guest speech.
Sri Harish Mehta, Mr. Krishnan, Mr. Murali, other distinguished gentlemen on the dais, distinguished invitees, representatives of the media, ladies and gentlemen. To recognize merit and excellence, and even more, to celebrate such merit and excellence by way of rewarding or awarding those who have made it possible is indeed a very pleasant function and a pleasant task. And I feel very privileged and honored to have been invited to perform such a pleasant function this evening. I thank the office bearers of the All India Manufacturing Association, Tamil Nadu State Board, for having accorded to me this privilege. We have assembled here today to present an award instituted by the Tamil Nadu State Board of the All India Manufacturers Organization, which is itself was founded by that illustrious engineer, administrator, statesman, Mochagundam Visvesvaraya. And the award itself is instituted in his memory. In doing so, we are not only remembering the great contributions that Mochagundam Visvesvaraya made to the well-being of this country, but it's also an occasion when it will be appropriate for all of us to pay our humble tribute to his memory. And permit me to do that on the behalf of all of you and on my own behalf. The Telugu-speaking people of this nation, to whom I also belong, claim Sri Visvesvaraya to be one of their own, though I do not know how valid is that claim. Because, as all of us know, he was born somewhere in what is now the Karnataka state. And all his illustrious life and career were largely devoted to the welfare of that state. But I would like to share with you some of the great contributions that he made to the well-being of Andhra Pradesh, which is the state of the Telugu-speaking people. In both the parts, in the coastal part, which was once part of the Madras Presidency, and the western area, which formed part of the Nizam's dominions. As children, we used to hear the great things that the genius of Moksha Visvesvaraya made possible. I believe the Visakhapatnam harbour, which is today one of the premier ports of the country and which is rated also as one of the most natural harbours in the world, it used to get silted because of the incoming tides. You know, the Visakhapatnam harbour is a sheltered harbour with mountains all around and a small mouth opening into the Bay of Bengal. For whenever there was an inward tide, the sand used to get into the mouth of the harbour and silt it up. And for long years, the then British government did not know how to solve this problem. They turned to Moksha Visvesvaraya, and after a routine kind of inspection of the harbour, he suggested that a ship, one of those obsolete ships, a ship should be sunk facing the mouth of the harbour so that the ship will halt the silting of the mouth. And this was done. And today, if any of you visit the Visakhapatnam port, you will still find a ship stopping the siltation of the mouth of the Visakhapatnam harbour. In the second decade of the 20th century, the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad were devastated by a flood in the Musi River, which flows through Hyderabad. If you see Musi today, you will not believe that it is capable of causing any kind of devastation. Nevertheless, the great devastation that visited Hyderabad and Secunderabad forced the then Nizam of Hyderabad to seek the advice of Moksha Visvesvaraya. And it is recorded history that it is his recommendation which led to the construction of 2 dams on the Musi River and one of its tributaries, leading to the formation of the 2 well-known lakes, Himayat Sagar and Hussain Sagar, which are today, even today, are the lifelines of the twin cities for their drinking water needs. The 2 lakes on the outskirts of Hyderabad city and the ship in the mouth of the Visakhapatnam harbour are standing testimonies to the great genius of Moksha Visvesvaraya, in whose memory, in a manner of speaking, we are assembled today here. So let us all pay our humble tribute and homage to his memory. What do I say with regard to the main purpose of this function? After all that has been said by various speakers before me about the qualities of head and heart of the founder of Sri Krishna Sweets and his 2 proud sons who are in our midst this evening, And particularly, as somebody else has said also, it's perhaps a difficult act to follow the speaker who preceded me and who paid the tribute or the eulogy to the memory of Mahadevaya, Dr. Krishnaraj Vanavarya. Nevertheless, I shall try to make out a case for myself. Going through the list of all the award winners in the earlier years, it would appear that the list is a kind of who is who of Tamil Nadu industry. Every big name is present there. Therefore, to decide upon giving this year's award to a company which is essentially a sweet maker, if I may say so, would appear rather odd and even intriguing. But is it a change? Is it a sign of the changing times in Indian industry? Is my question. Perhaps it is a subtle reminder to all of us and a pointer to the fact that food processing industry should be the next major initiative on the part of Indian industry. I'm sure that they will keep up, they will maintain these high standards of quality, consistency of manufacture, continuous process improvement, excellent customer relations, and all the other attributes which have enabled them to win this very distinguished award. With these words, I congratulate the two brothers and thank the organizers of this function for giving this opportunity to share some of my thoughts on this occasion. Thank you very much.
I think I should also thank the distinguished invitees, Mr. Ramanathan CGM Sidbi, Mr. Gandhi Senior Advocate, His Lordship Justice K.S. Bhaktavachalam, and the other distinguished invitees who have found time to be amongst this very nice and a very deserving evening in showing your solidarity along with us in recognizing excellence. I should thank our illustrious predecessors in office, Mr. Ravi, Madam Prasad, Mr. Prakasam, and all the other present office bearers of AMO and the staff of AMO TNSP and the members of All India Manufacturers Organization who have found time to come from all over India to be amongst us, and all of you distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen, and last but not the least, the members of the press, the electronic media, Doordarshan, and all the private TV channels, and all of you. I convey our thanks to each and every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ramakrishnan. National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गागे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
Legacy loved by one and all in India and abroad. Even before the phrase corporate social responsibility gained significance, it was textured into the group's value systems. And today, this phrase has been redefined by Mr. Murali as citizen social responsibility. Chennai 365, an effort by SKS in association with social, sports and cultural bodies to do good to a vibrant Chennai. To Sri Krishna Sweets, it's no mere rule. It's not just an act. It's every citizen's social responsibility. After all, we make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. And in the process, create a world where life's best bonds are built with love and care. And in time, they will become our strongest bond.